Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV 24/7. There is some breaking news now coming in. We're learning 6 people have died in a UP watchtower collapse. The structure collapsed in Bagpat in UP. This incident has taken place at a Jain community event. We are learning now 40 people who are injured have been admitted to the hospital. This Laddu Mahotsav that was taking place in Bagpat in UP has turned tragic with 6 people dead, and we are learning at least 40 people are injured who've been admitted in hospital. As per the details that are coming in, we are learning that a structure had collapsed. This bamboo platform had collapsed during the religious event that was taking place in UP's Bagpat, and this was a big event that was organized by the Jain community where this mishap has taken place. 6 people have died and 40 people are believed to be injured. We are learning the toll could be higher. There could be more than 40 people who are injured after this platform collapsed during the religious event in UP in Bagpat. We are learning now at least 6 people have died, and as per the police, the Jain community in Baraut had organized this Laddu Mahotsav, and hundreds of people had reached the temple to offer laddus. This bamboo platform had been erected for the devotees, and the platform collapsed under the weight of the people. Well, we are learning, as per Bagpat police chief, the police and ambulance also reached the spot soon after the incident, and the injured were rushed to the hospital. All right, we'll try and get more details about this in just a bit. As per details now coming in, the authorities have said that the local Jain community had been observing the Laddu Mahotsav annually for the last 30 years now, and the wooden structure that was erected here for the platform that collapsed, and about 40 people were injured. And we've been learning that there were more people who were injured, but they were administered first aid and they were sent home. But more people are still under treatment. They've been admitted to the hospital at the moment. Also, there's a reaction that has come in at the moment from the authorities. The district magistrate has said that they're taking care of the situation at the moment. People who are injured have been taken to the hospital. However, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also has expressed anguish over the incident and said that he has asked his officials to reach the spot and speed up relief work.